Now we can do a question that only 41% of the people got right when they took it on a GRE test. We're given some information at the top. Set A consists of 40 integers and set B consists of 150 integers. The number of integers that are in both set in A and B is 20. And we're asked to compare two quantities. Quantity A is the total number of integers that are in set A or set B or both. And quantity B is 170. And we're given four answer choices. We could just give up and say that the relationship cannot be determined from the information given, but there's nothing but numbers here, so somebody can figure it out, so D can't be the right answer. We might decide to pick quantity A, but then we realize a lot of mistakes are going to equal quantity A, and they would be getting the right answer by accident. So it's less likely that quantity A will actually be the right answer. We could pick quantity B, but then we realize that lots of mistakes might lead to quantity B being larger, and they would get the right answer by accident, and that can't happen. And so we realize that when we get a complicated computation, the answer is most likely to be C. So we would pick C. The two quantities are equal because there's only one equal. Now let's look at the problem. Set A consists of 40 integers and set B consists of 150 integers, and the number of integers that are in both set A and B is 20. So it looks like we can add 40 and 150 and 20 and get 210. And that's a lot larger than 170. So it looks like quantity A is larger, and it looks like we should pick answer A. But maybe that was the big mistake. Let's read more carefully. At the top it talks about set A and set B. In quantity A it says set A or set B. That little word changes everything because we have some overlap. We know that there are 40 integers in set A and 150 integers in set B, but then they tell us that 20 are in both set A and B. So that means there's only 20 integers that are only in set A and only 130 integers that are only in set B. And so if we add 20 and 20 and 130, we get 170, which is exactly the same number as quantity B. And just as we thought, complicated computations are C. Testing for the public. Nonprofit since 1985. No one makes things easier.